Right guys, so we're back with another video. I'm not going to do screen face cam just now because it's probably going to be too glitchy. Right, we're playing Watch Dogs. If you're underage or whatever, don't play it. Watch this. So I'm literally doing a mission right now. And yeah, let's get right into it. Right here. Okay, right here we go. Right, what's the way I need to go? Okay, in here. Great. Right, I've actually played a lot of this game already, so yeah, guys, it's probably gonna be a bit glitchy because on my computer it's taking me ages to like get started. So just don't look at like or repeat anything bad. Don't. Right. Right. I'm just gonna read subtitles out because please reconnect controllers. Oh, I need new batteries. 1 second. Right, guys. Anyway, this isn't as glitchy I think it is. But yeah. So I need to talk to these people. I've already done this, so like here. Right. Oh, this will take. Mark, have you seen the trailer for Jimmy Seeker movie? No, it's out yet. Blah blah blah. Alright, so he waited, like, they're literally just about to watch the trailer for this new movie, and they're in a gang hacker thing, they want to change the world or whatever. I don't really get it, like, I just do the missions and stuff. I'm not really good at it, but here you go. Right, I'm just gonna skip. Right, guys, this is kind of where the mission like starts. It's a bit more to do, but my dad's about to watch a movie thing on no, not a movie, a football match, so can't play this for that long. Right, here we go. That's right, yeah. Right, so that's it finished. Right, so now I have to go to the destination, I think. Yep. Right, guys, since I'm pretty far away from my Xbox, because if I was like near it, it would be like that's in the middle of my living room, so it wouldn't be like that well done, like, because there would be people getting involved and stuff. I'll try to take my computer there, but like, let's go. Because the controller just keeps disconnecting over and over. Right. Anyway, guys. So we're closer now, and yeah. So let's open this door. Yes. Right. I'm trying to skip as much as I can so that I can make a bit more of a video. Let me just get this card.
You're too far away from
it. Is that like mine? Oh yeah, I've come closer now. Right, guys, so I'm gonna yeah, this is a pretty nice car actually. At least I won't have police on me. Let me just do this, it's fun. Blowing up roads and stuff. Right, oh no. So here we go. Move that car. This is a game, it's like fun. Even if you're not like playing it properly, like that's what I used to go when I went to my cousin's, just like blow stuff up. I don't have much guns. Like, I just kill people and find guns. So, not this, like, because I literally couldn't do this screen recording. Yeah, like my TV's not even on, so like my Xbox can't even see the screen. I'm just looking at my computer, and here's people gonna call the police because I'm terrible at driving. I feel like I've got a bit better, but like, yeah, I say that as like at the same time as crashing and stuff. There's no cops. I feel like I want to steal someone's car because this one's kind of getting wrecked. Right, yeah, car, take that, please. Yeah, right now we're here. Oh yes, cutscene, right. Right, I feel like I'm not gonna get done in this episode because it took me ages. Okay, so this is like in the cutscene you saw before. It was like tell me about this movie. Oh yeah, I paused it there. So there's this movie out and they want the car because it would get them followers on everything. No, I'm not gonna do that because cops will get there. Money, thank you. No, I'm not blowing anything up. No, I'm not gonna listen to your phone call. Right, can I like at least one of this? No, no guns out. No, not at all. No, can I take your money? No money. No one's got money. Oh, have you got money? No one. Right. She's texting someone. I don't really care. Right. Yeah, guys. Oops. Right. I want to get into one of the cameras. So let me. Oops. Okay. What's that? Can I? Oh, that's just the door. Right. I'm not gonna do this anymore. Let me just like. Right. Let me enter this car. Why? Right. Wait. Right. Is there any? I kinda want to do this. Right. It's kinda making people see me. But, this is a way to get in. Right. Okay. Stairs. Let me just, I don't want cover anymore. That's locked. Oh, he's coming out. Die. Right, now there's, oh shit, you got a gun. I guess it. No, actually, no, I'm swapping that. Give me my gun back, you guy. Right. Oh my gosh. Right, now I'm gonna go this way because where does that take me? What's this? Smartphone. Oh. Oh yeah, I can do. Yes. Right, this is the guy I killed. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot I got this. Like, just over. Oh no, I can just go here, can't I? Oh, this is sick, guys. Sugar, they sold us judge for 4 mil. Make them pay through. Okay, close that, please. Was that me done? Okay, right, I need to go this way. Okay, whoa, this game's actually more than I thought. Right. I can just do mad skills with this thing. Jeez, but I can't jump over this. There we go. Can I just want to do this. Like, go, my friend. Be freed. Right, I need to go this way, right? Find access key, which is, where, over here? Yes, guys. Right, great. Okay, so I blew my thing up. Great. Right, guys, hope you enjoyed it for this one. I'll continue in the next one. I'll probably restart me. But yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.